Regardless of our plans and intentions, life doesn't stop surprising us. That's how here I am. Architect turned author blogger Neha Sharma says hello to everyone with hopes that all is well. Yes, I was an architect based on my qualification, but eventually realized that I and the field were not meant for each other. After multiple events of trying, failing, and trying again, I realized the flair for writing as my true calling. It had happened about a couple of years ago. By now, I have brought out 2 independent titles, 2 co-authored ones, and now working on more. By God's grace, I have received majorly appreciative response on my books so far. I am all boosted about trying even smarter to bring my people more such readables in the future. Florilege, my new book. My second publication is a compilation of inspirational and amusing short stories and quotes. My first book, Plus Minus, was a novella about the phases a human life usually goes through. The story was set up in 1990s and revolved around a group of friends. Why not grab a copy of each today and enjoy reading? Firstly, let me share my message about the current scenario of COVID-19 with you. In the first wave of coronavirus, the world had mildly fallen ill. At a point of time in the second wave, it had become severely unwell. It looked like humanity was fighting for survival. The world is now recovering, including the fact that nature has healed to a considerable extent as well. This pattern has conveyed a wide range of messages to us. It has taught us the value of myriad emotions that we had started ignoring prior to its occurrence. Togetherness, gratitude, time spent with loved ones, getting closer to nature, and so on. Now the next challenge is to keep these lessons with us, even after we have come out of the pandemic. Only growing will not be enough. Humanity has to evolve in a distinct way than before. We have to maintain a decent balance between our proximity to technology and nature. While doing this, we have to remember that the ocean is made up of countless tiny drops, and each drop counts. Instead of instructing others to do this, we have to check ourselves first, work on it, and set an example. If it happens for some time, the world will see a new dawn soon. Now my opinion about the every moment changing world of literature. Given the COVID-19 situation, the world of literature is changing as well. More and more people have gotten into writing these days. Most of these have realized their passion for writing during the lockdown time itself. So much so that fewer people are reading now. I'm not sure whether it is a good sign for the literature world or not, but it is what is happening. And finally, here is a brief about my experiences and learnings in the field of writing so far, along with a little bit about my books, of course. My writing journey started in my childhood. I vaguely remember my first poetry, which was about a chicken. More clearly, I remember the way I had jumped around happily and showed it to my parents. In higher classes, some of my writings were featured in the school magazine more than once. One of my pieces of poetry was published in Children's Digest once. I started blogging in 2009 and my first book got published in 2019. I have taken it up as my field since then. Of course, there have been a variety of experiences and lessons learned throughout the journey so far. Some of them have been compiled in my latest book, Florilege, in the form of quotes and some of the short stories, the rest of them being imaginary. I have plans to bring more of them to my readers time to time in future. My first book was Plus Minus, a novella in which I have portrayed the various phases a human life generally goes through. I have taken a group of friends as a medium to accomplish this. Both my publications have, thankfully, got a mostly appreciative response from the readers as yet. Conclusion. As I close this session, I would like to thank NetX for reaching out to me and making it happen. Thank you, NetX, for providing me the platform, a space to put forward my opinions and reveal the brief descriptions of my books. I appreciate you for being considerate in all our communication. My best wishes to the whole team for all the ongoing as well as upcoming endeavors. Love and gratitude to my readers. Stay home, stay safe everyone.